The person living with dementia may not remember the day, but they can enjoy the moment. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today and pay my respects to the elders, past, present and emerging. Thank you. Hello, my name is Sally. I've worked with people living with dementia and their carers for over 25 years, and I'm passionate about working with the community for better outcomes.
My name is Valerie and I live and I work in this community. So I've had personal experience caring for a family member with dementia and I'd like to learn more about it.
A good thing to think about is a whiteboard.
Okay.
You can have one on the fridge or by the phone, somewhere the person would go and notice. Mm-hmm. And you could put on the daily activities there. Some people will be overwhelmed with a whole week's worth. Yep. Some people will manage that quite fine. It's also a good communication tool between family members, because in the community, as we know, families are involved very much with looking after their person living with dementia. So it's a good way for them to communicate with each other, as well as having a simple bit for the person living with dementia to see, right, that's what we're doing today.
Yeah. And what about if they're travelling?
Well, I had someone who came up with a brilliant idea and it worked. Because the person was saying, where are we going? Yeah. What are we doing? When will we get there? Who are we seeing? So they had a small whiteboard. We are driving to Dubbo. Mm-hmm. And then first stop, such and such a place for morning tea. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And then they'd rub that bit out after morning tea. We'll stop at so-and-so for lunch. And that way, this person felt really validated, as they say, and listened to, because they were asking the question, and their need for an answer was met.
Yes. I see that. Yep.
And often when people ask the same question again and again and again, it's because they haven't actually had an answer they can cope with.
Yeah.
And this person was just very happy with a little whiteboard. Oh, we're going to so-and-so today. And other people I know who've taken up that suggestion have found that very useful.
I suppose you can listen to their favourite music on the way there as well.
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of music.
Yeah.
You can either have individual pod things or headphones with their own music that they love, and maybe the driver doesn't, or you can have it obviously in the main car. But it does help soothe people listening to their kind of music. Yeah. So if it's heavy metal or it's the crooners, it doesn't matter if it's Yotho Yindi or the Beatles, doesn't matter. Whatever anybody likes to listen to, that can help pass the time in the journey. They might sing along to the songs. When someone's agitated at home even, that's another time to use music, because it's very powerful. And it can really animate people and bring about conversation and things like that.
Also, it's like a personal playlist for them.
It is, absolutely.